Today I am explain how bleed the hydraulic brake system in disc brake. Requirements. What are the tools and equipment? Number 1, trainees toolkit. What are the raw material may used? Number 1, flexible pipe. Number 2, cotton cloth. Number 3, glass bottle. Number 4, wheel choke. Number 5, brake fluid. So keep all the necessary materials before doing this job. Job procedure. How to do this experiment? Kindly follow the steps. First, remove the filler cap of bleeding nipple. Then connect the bleeder hose to longest distance of the wheel bleed screw. Then place the other hand end of the tube in a glass jar and submerge it in the fluid. Next, apply the brake pedal 3 or 4 times until pressing is felt hard. Next, open the bleeder screw 1/2 to 3/4 turn and observe in the jar bubble will form in jar. Next, repeat this process until only the fluid comes out of the bleeder screw, forcing all the air in the line. Next, close the bleeder screw. Next, fill the brake fluid again in the master cylinder. Next, close the filler cap. Next, repeat the above steps for all the 4-wheel. Next, after removing air from all the 4-wheel, fill the brake fluid in the master cylinder reservoir to the required level. Close the filler plug and check the tightness of the bleeder screw in all 4 wheels. Now the vehicle is ready to trials.